What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I just got another review right here. You know, they got the cocoa pebbles too, as this right here. So I might try these too. I might try them too. But I got these. They kind of give me Fruit Loop vibes. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit different. You know what I'm saying? But hey, we don't. Hey, comment down below which one y'all favorite. Is y'all a Fruit Loop fan, or Fruity Pebble fan? You know what I'm saying? For me, I'm a Fruit Loop fan because I like Fruit Loop, and this is actually giving me Fruit Loop vibes. So this might be good to me. You know, Fruity Pebble is good, but it's like it gets soggy real quick. I don't like my cereal to get soggy real quick, so that's why I choose Fruit Loops instead of. I like to get a crunch too anyway. Alright, here we go. This is how it looks with the milk. Alright, moment of truth. Let's go. Let's take first bite. Definitely giving you the Fruit Loops. More kind of like a Trix vibe. You know what I'm saying? More crunchy than Fruit Loops. It's pretty good though. It's real good though. You know, I give it a, I give it a 9. I give it a 9. 9 out of 10. All right, see y'all in the next video. Peace.